Send it up to 12. It's gonna be busy.
There's not even anyone here, but okay. That's fine. I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna get one on that side.
Yeah, let's send it away.
Yeah, cause I don't like this view.
Yeah, it's kind of boring.
Yeah.
Some people can use it anyway.
You're washing your hands there.
Yeah, I was just sanitizing it.
Okay.
All right.
Alrighty. I want the view of the center.
Okay,
This is another. Now, one of these two here would be good.
Okay.
Look at that. This is a beautiful hotel.
All the way down there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
We are 12 stories up.
We are. This even smells like an airport hotel, doesn't it?
Really?
Yeah. I don't know. It just smells like I'm getting ready to travel somewhere. Please let it be one of these. Oh, good.
Perfect.
We'll go down to one and get back off.
Okay.
Here. Yeah, see, there's no one.
Yep.
Okay, let's go to one. Okay, perfect. I love this view. Let's get off at 12. Okay, we're gonna get off here.
These are epic. Look.
I know, right? That's it?